Okay, mga bisita. Kain na
Yo, say. 3. Itago siya. Okay.
Hawak mo ang beef.
Hawak mo ang beef.
Hawak mo ang beef.
Oh, that's good stuff.
Dalawa ang hawak mo ang beef. Ang beef. Beef at ang beef at ang beef at ang beef.
Performing our baby princess. That's the one to have celebration.
Kumain ka na rin. Ako, sa tawag ko talaga kung shrimp din.
Swim. Oh my goodness.
Sige.
Wala nang diet. Megan, oh. Kain tayo mga be.
Drink. Coke. Coke. You too? Alright. Oh, they want to drink. Drink.
Oh, what kind of drink?
Wala nang diet mga be. Sarap. Super sarap. Kalimutan ng diet.
Got Sprite, Coke. You want a pen or? Is that okay?